Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Okay students, today I am going to review writing numbers 0 to 5. So let's start from number 0. How you will write number 0? Start from the beginning dot, then go down, make a round like this, and again match with this beginning dot. Then what will come after 0? Yes, number 1. So how to write number 1? Start from this beginning dot, make a straight line and go down, touch the bottom line. Then what will come after 1? Yes, number 2. Start from the beginning dot, make its head, then go down, match with this dot and go straight to match the ending dot. Then 0, 1, 2. What will come after 2? Number 3. Very good. Start from the beginning dot, make a semicircle like this, then again make a semicircle like this. This is number 3. Then after 3, what will come? Very good. Number 4. How to write number 4? Start from the beginning dot, then match with this dot, go straight like this and make a straight line. This is number 4. After 4, what number will come? Yes, number 5. How to write number 5? Start from the beginning dot, go straight to match this dot, then go down in a straight line and make a semicircle like this. You have to write all numbers in full block. So keep practicing at your home. This is your assignment. Thank you students. Hope you understand how to write 0 to 5. Thank you.